Okay. Okay. Now, have you been served with the counter affidavit? PM Usman Musa Suleiman.
Well, my lord,
Yes.
My lord.
Have not been served. Okay. Okay. You have not been served.
Yes,
So
my lord.
I suggest that since you are new in the matter,
Yes, my lord.
but you have all the other processes naturally.
Yes, some of them, yes. I believe I have.
Need to be served. Okay. Do you and do you intend to file a reply?
My lord, in my own case, I'm not even aware of the change of counsel because I've not been served with his notice.
Okay, it's in the file. It was filed, actually, it looks like it's new, it was only filed yesterday. And
No,
as it's
just
filed, only yesterday, and the file is here. So unfortunately, you cannot get a copy of the file gets back to you. Okay, it was filed in Nina. So Mohammed, you should be able to give them copies. I believe you have extra copies with you. Even if it's a photocopy, that should suffice. Do that, please. We'll now fix this preliminary objection. We'll set it down for hearing.
please.
I'll give you a date in July. There are so many. Now, Council, I'm going to ask you, looking at our experience with this Zoom meeting, looking at this experience, do you want to continue I mean, well, we can take this one on Zoom because it's just a motion. There are so many infiltrations from everywhere, and it's making the very noisy.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll give you another date so that we can hear this motion.
Very well,
all right.
Very well, ma'am. I want to guide you.
20th of July.
20th of July, my lord. My lord, 20th of July is a Saturday, my lord.
20th, really? I never knew.
20th.
Okay.
It's Saturday, my lord.
28th of July.
It's convenient, my lord.
Okay. Ayola, PM Usman, 28th July is good for you?
It's equally convenient, my lord.
Okay. So I'll set it down for hearing of the preliminary objection.
As please. As please.
The case is adjourned to 28 July 2021 for hearing of the outstanding application. As the preliminary objection.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
I'll take my leave too. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you. Yes, sir, the next please. They're not hearing me. They're hearing me now. They were answering me. Call the case.
/10/2019. Dr. Ekebere and National Examination Council, NECO, was practice service.
Appearances, please. Yes. Daniel Omako for the claimant. Yes.
Most humbly, my lord. O.J. Efekoda. My appearance is for the defendant.
O.J. Efekoba.
Efekoda. E-F-E-K-O-D-H-A.
I'm seeing it on your screen.
Yes, my lord.
I'm seeing it on your screen. Yes.
Oh, my lord. For the defendant.
Defendant.
Jennifer. Abi?
This is the court place. Will you like to conduct yourself properly? They were in court. Don't crack such jokes. Yes?
Yes, my lord. My appearance is for the defendant.
Yes, I have recorded you. Yes. You have a motion. You have a motion for extension of time.
Oh,
Extension of time.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. If the court is disposed, we are ready to move the motion, my lord.
You may proceed.
Very well, my lord. The motion was filed on the 25th day of June 2020.
Yes. If in order to save time, the motion seeks you want your statement of defense and other processes to be deemed as properly filed and served.
Yes, my lord.
Marco, do you have any objection? Marco?
No objection.
Thank you. Time is allowed within which the defendant may file its defense processes. The said processes filed 2021 are deemed as properly filed and served.
I'm most grateful, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Omako, have you filed a reply or do you intend to file a reply?
We intend to file a reply to the
Okay, so we take a date for hearing.
As the court pleases.
You want to come back on the 28th of July for hearing?
It's convenient to us, my lord.
Mr. Omako? Mr. Omako? Convenient. Now, there's a snag here. If you are coming for trial proper, it may not work well for us for you to appear on the screen because we will have problems hearing the witness. So you will have to come to Abuja. If that works for you, or you may want to confer with counsel on the other side, and if you agree to do the trial on record, procedure. But we need to decide. I guess physical appearances will will all go well for full trials.
Yes, my lord.
So I'll give you 28th July for hearing.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases. Thank you, my lord.
The case is adjourned to 28 July 2021 for hearing.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Case number NS/MN/16/2019. To Dr. Olatunde Olaremi Adedayo and Federal University of Technology, Minna. And the Governor Council, Minna. God practice.
Okay.
Appearances, please. Appearances. Yes.
I am J.O.
J.O.
Okebe, my lord.
O-K-E-B-E.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Another appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
What is the brief of Alba Chris?
Okay. No appearance for the claimant.
No, my lord, but I said later.
Okay.
You were served with the letter from the claimant.
There's a letter here. Can we take a look? I don't think it's in the file. Do you have a copy? Has there been a change in counsel?
No, my lord.
I ask because, okay, I understand. Okay, this letter is from the claimant. And they keep for an adjournment. Are we good to go for trial?
What questions are you, my lord?
Yes, including the reply. Okay. You are not objecting, right? How many witnesses do you have on each side?
Will not go more than 3 witnesses, my lord.
You have filed your defense. Are you saying that on the basis of your pleadings? Or you're just speculating? How many witness deposition did you file?
Yes, my lord. As I announced appearance earlier, it's actually not like very friendly or was coming and he called me to hold his brief, knowing that
there's only one witness in your deposit. I mean, okay, no problem. And let me see the claimant. One witness on each side. I might be able to give you 28th July for hearing. The case is adjourned to 28th July 2021 for hearing. Hearing notice to issue to the claimant.
As a cop pleases.
The date he chose is not convenient for the court, so that's why I need to give him a hearing notice.
As a cop pleases.
I mean, please take note that being trial, you have to be physically present, because there are taking witnesses. It would be too cumbersome if we have to do it on Zoom. Thank you. Please, can you read case number 2019?
This number actions like MN like 01/2020 and Standard Organization of Nigeria. Some parties are
Appearances.
With respect, my lord.
Yes.
I am Jericho. You are Tunisian, my lord.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, appearance is particular.
Yes. Any appearance for the defendant, Standard Organization of Nigeria?
No.
Mr. Okebe, can you tell me where we are? Yes. Okay. And it's ripe for hearing.
My lord.
Yes. Are you for Standard Organization of Nigeria? Are you announcing appearance for SON? Please go ahead.
My lord, I am surprised that the Federal Council for the defendant saw in court this morning. I had cause to test my was on my way from Mina. Please. And there was no indication that he wouldn't be in court.
That's what I'm asking. Perhaps he's joining us virtually. They have filed their statement of defense, and you do not have a reply to it. Oh yes, I've seen your reply. It's a deposition. The case is right for hearing. So I'll give you a date for hearing. How many witnesses do you have? One each. So I'm going to spread Mina cases between 28th and 29th. Which of the days would you prefer? Okay.
Can you hear me, my lord? No.
Adjourned to 28th July 2021 for hearing. All the next case.
Case number NICN/MN/04/2019. Ojepa Ibri Abdul and XL Outsourcing Limited.
Appearances, please.
With opposed reality, sir.
Yes. Yes. For
the defendant. B.A. Apparently, sir.
B.N. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Any appearance for the claimant? Mr. Oyefeso, so where are we?
Well, the matter was adjourned to go to this data. We were informed to hearing.
Yes.
Actually, it was created yesterday.
Yeah.
Lord's absence, we would have gone to the place. And we are here, sir. Unfortunately, the claimant are not here. And in the light of that, I will thank you.
Quite some delays, right from COVID into the new year when I had health challenges. I don't even know if this case has been mentioned this year at all.
No, it has not, but
has not been mentioned this year at all. It was adjourned to February 18th, but I had just come out of surgery at the time, so I didn't sit. And we did it because of the protocols and all this. I mean, I had to just decide that let me just have a call over of all the cases, and then we will take definite dates. So I wouldn't even want you to follow that.
But I take the hint of the country.
Yes.
Although because I've made it slightly easy for all of us.
Yes.
Thank God for technology. And one would have assumed that the claimant counsel would have living on. Now, the rules also allow that it is available to communicate. That is why, and that is why we feel that a bit of seriousness.
As it is, I will take it. I will give you a date for definite hearing, and it will have to be physical attendance. How many witnesses do you have on each side?
We have one, and they also have one.
Pleadings have been completed.
All are in. Our defense is in. Their reply is in. In fact, I think their reply was we did physically on the 7th of November 2020 before the court adjourned to 18 February.
I'll give you 29th of July.
9th July.
Yes.
Most of us.
The case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for definite hearing.
There's a couple of this.
Physical attendance.
Most of that, sir.
And it will make sense to take all our witnesses. Okay. That's why I'm not plugging the number of cases. I'm only going to fix 5 cases for each day, not more than 5. So if you have try any matter that is for hearing, all the witnesses should be present so that we take them all and get them over with. The cases have dragged on for too long.
Okay.
Thank you.
Most of that.
Yes.
This by action class. It is like 41 class. Alex, one.
Any representation in this matter? Alex Waju and 3 others.
Yes, my lord.
Against Niger Tornadoes Football Club and 3 others.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Yes, please.
TV Okoli for the claimant.
That is the television, right?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Thank you. Yes. For the claimant.
For the claimant. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
I apologize for the earlier mix-up, my lord.
Yes,
no problem.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
BM Usman.
BM Usman. For the defendants.
Yes. The first, second, and the whole defendant. The whole 4 defendants.
All the defendants. Thank you. So, where are we?
Yes, my lord. Like you rightly alluded, that all matters are coming for the first time before you.
Well, not quite. This one has been mentioned before now.
Okay.
Once before Justice Adeni and once before me.
Yes, my lord. I remember.
And, there is a motion for extension of time filed by the defendant.
Yes, it has.
Can we take that now?
Yes, my lord. Yes, we are ready.
Okay.
Yes. Not having the process is with us because the council and handle it is late now. So we are still searching for the records. In fact, the only process I have is the hearing notice and one.
Can I tell you the truth? Mr. BM Usman, I did not make out anything from what you just said.
What I'm saying, madam, is this. Yes. We equally have the same challenge. We have a challenge of the earlier council not being alive anymore, so we cannot trust the party.
Okay. Thank you. Let me take that down.
Okay, madam. So
okay, now
we are making concerted effort to strengthen the process in this case. In fact, the only process I have here is notice and one claimant replied to the defendant's statement of claim, which was
okay. You know what I'll do for you, counsel?
Yes, my lord.
I'll give you. I'll ask the registrar to give you access to the file so that you can make photocopies of all the processes in the file, so that you can acquaint yourself with the matter.
Thank you very much.
And then there is a motion for extension of time. In view of what you just said, you cannot even take that motion, right?
I don't even have it on my hand. I don't even have it.
Okay, so I'll give you. I'll ask that the registrar, Mohammed. I hope you are listening to me over there. Incidentally, we have 2 Mohammeds. One is here with me in Abuja, and the other one is in Mina. To give you the opportunity to make photocopies of all the processes, and then we take it from there. So, in this respect, I still will want to adjourn for hearing, because I believe you would have sorted things out before the next adjourn date.
We'll do announcement.
There's only one, I think you have only one witness. One Umar Mohammed is your witness. So if you can lay hold of him, and if it is that the claimant will open their case and you adjourn for defense, that's another possibility. All right?
We won't mind any, but subject to the fact that we will be giving enough time, maybe by next legally, everything will have been sorted out and they will be much more prepared.
Okay, so you want the matter to go to the next legal year?
It is convenient and the understanding of my other counsel.
Mr. Okoli, is that okay for you?
My Lord, ordinarily, just like my Lord rightly noted, the matter comes up today for hearing. And yes. I understand the point of counsel on the other side that the former counsel representing the defendant is deceased, and he doesn't have copies of processes that are supposed to be for the defendant. Yes. However, my Lord, I understand this predicament and I sympathize with him. And the matter before my Lord has actually, it's not really a recent matter. I will be objecting to his application for the matter to come up to be adjourned to the next meeting. If we can get a short adjournment so that counsel for the defendant can go and get all his processes in place before.
I can give you 28th or 29th of July, and when we come up on that day, we will appraise the matter and see the progress we have made. That will determine the way forward.
Okay, my Lord.
Exactly.
Is that okay?
Exactly.
Maybe we'll be constrained to agree to that, my Lord. Because actually, like I said earlier, but my witness is not represented within by it. In fact, like I said, we don't even have anything. I have to look at all the processes and all the things that with the time lapse as any amendment I may make or any other thing. So, my Lord, if the court insists, I don't have the power to go against the decision of the court. Otherwise, I would have loved if we can get a very fairly long agreement so that will help me to put everything in order. By the time I come, it will be nothing but hearing.
No, you know why I wouldn't completely agree with you, Mr. B.M. Usman. The reason is that at least if we can come up once in the next adjourn date, you can brief us how far you have gone. All right? As soon as these files get back to me now, you should maybe in the next 2 days or so, you should approach the registrar and get copies of all the processes. That sets the ball rolling for you, and then you know which way forward. If you are not ready for defense, the claimants might be ready to open their case. You know, you don't have to put your witness on the same day. I can give you that concession if you are not completely ready. But it's good to come up, at least let's hear from you how far you have gone.
Okay, my Lord. It's okay.
So which of the days do you want, 28 or 29?
Let's take 28, since I will be before you on that 28.
That's fine. The case is adjourned to 28 July 2021 for hearing.
We are most obliged.
Thank you.
Hello, I apply to leave the meeting, my Lord.
Come on, give me the next slide. Somebody is speaking. Can you speak up? Let me hear you.
My Lord, I only apply to leave the meeting.
Sure. If you are done with us, you can leave.
As the court pleases. Most obliged.
Thank you.
Case number ASCS/MN/04/2018 between Elin Dache and Chairman of local government council Niger State, local government council Niger State.
Are you calling me Boko? When is Bako? Appearances, please. Yes. Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. Which?
It's TK Ikoya. Ikoya is spelled IGOHIA.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Any representation for the defendant? From the beginning.
Yes, my lord.
It is for adoption.
Yes, my lord. BM Usman, my lord.
BM Usman?
Yes, my lord. For the defendants, my lord.
I hope it is not that you just saw the cost list and decided that since it's Bako local government, you should appear. Because this case has gone beyond where you just come in and you do not have anything to. It's for adoption of final written addresses.
Unfortunately, that is the truth, that I have to be here because the other council, like I said, is no more alive, and as a DCS.
No. It's a different matter. This one is different. There has never been an appearance, even when state council is in court, they do not announce appearance for this matter. If I am wrong, okay, there was a certain A.E. Udom and Mahmoud Mohammed. Who is
Mahmoud Mohammed?
Is he from your ministry?
No.
A.E. Udom, is he from your ministry?
No. We have the council that was assigned the matter is Danlami Ushishi.
Danlami Alhaji Ushishi.
Yes. That was the council.
Yes.
That was assigned the matter to represent the second defendant.
Yes. Well, where is he?
Yes, he's equally in the other side of life, my lord. Sorry. He has gone to the world beyond. He's no more alive too.
After Danlami Ushishi appeared in the matter, yes, other counsel have also appeared. For the first defendant, at least, A.E. Udom and Mahmoud Mohammed.
Well, I'm not aware.
They went into they came and they did not cross-examine the witness. And they were foreclosed. They were foreclosed from cross-examining the witness. You did not file any process in the matter. And the claimant's final written address was filed after I had foreclosed. I still said they should grant, I gave leave. I ordered that they should be served with a copy of their final written address. And the claimant's final written address dated 7 December 2020 was served on them on the 14th of December 2020. Are you hearing me?
I'm with you, my lord. I'm with you, my lord. I just want to draw my lord's attention to the fact that I'm representing the second defendant, which is Bako local government. And before now, the council from the ministry that was assigned to represent the second defendant is Danlami Alhaji Ushishi, as you rightly said from your record. However,
can I ask you when he died, please? I'm afraid, I'm sorry. To reopen old wounds. He appeared on the 27th of June, 2019 he appeared with A.A. Usman for the second defendant.
That's right.
And since then, he never appeared again.
Since then, he has been down until when God calls him early 2000.
Early
2000. To 2020.
Early 2020.
Early 2020.
So what are you saying?
So what I'm saying in essence now is because we are starting with the processes and as ministers in all of this, there's no way we can see court processes and ignore it. That is why I'm here.
Have you filed your final written address?
Like I said, we don't have any process. We don't have anything on this case. I'm not Sam on me 3 days ago.
So what do you want?
My Lord, like you moderately gave us opportunity. Who mind if we will still be giving this opportunity to look at to get the process from the court so that we look at it. If there is any to file, we'll apply and maybe subject to all the necessary consequences to be allowed to file. I mean to be allowed to move.
You have been foreclosed.
As please, my Lord, if we are foreclosed, then we will just announce our appearance. At least we are here today. In the record. We are here today.
You have been foreclosed. The only thing left for you, the best you can do is if you want to file a final written address. But you had 1 year. You were served.
Served 3 days ago.
Were they served? Abdullahi Mohammed, Registrar Litigation, received the final written address on the 14th of December 2020.
It was brought to my notice just 3 days ago when the hearing notice came.
Yeah, you are just one person in the Ministry of Justice. There are several others.
Yes, my Lord. But
so it's not personal to you.
That is true, my Lord. But I'm the head of the department. So whatever happens, it will come to my office and my table before it gets to it. My Lord. And like I said, out of respect for the court, because there is no way I can see a court process and ignore it. So this is why I have to be here.
So you want to announce appearance for the second defendant?
At least I'm here, so I'm entitled to that, my Lord. Subject to your
I want to record you as having announced appearance for the second defendant.
This is my Lord. Be Usman, my Lord. Be here.
Thank you.
Yes, my Lord. Thank you very much.
Mr. Obuagu, the case is for adoption of final written address. Let me record him first. So, Mr. Usman.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, the case is for adoption of final written addresses.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
Like I said, my Lord, we don't have any process with us due to the fact that the council that has been representing the second defendant.
Yes.
Presently late. And therefore, we are making effort to see if we can trace the file. So in the light of this development, my Lord, we create the indulgence of this honorable court and the understanding of the other council. To give us an opportunity of trying to see how we can salvage our situation by giving us a short adjournment within which we make copies, we make photocopies from the court process. I see how you're coming, my Lord.
Do you know Abdullahi Mohammed? Do you know him? Abdullahi Mohammed, Registrar Litigation.
I do, my Lord.
Ministry of Justice.
I do, my lord. I do, my lord.
You do. So he should have a copy of the claimant's final written address. He was served on the 14th of December. That notwithstanding, you can also have access to the court's file, okay? So that you can make photocopies.
My lord. My lord, with this magnanimity, my lord, if I can suggest maybe a convenient day that whenever.
No, you have made an application. I have not ruled on that application. So you need to wait until I rule on it before you know whether or not you can even.
I can partake, my lord.
Tira isso aí, Nath, não pode. Ganin court nan ne. No, pior.
When did you file your final written address? 7th of December.
Comfortable.
Thank you.
Actually, follow the supported
Okay. Here's the ruling. This matter commenced on 21st June 2018, and the processes were served on the defendants. All through the trial, processes were consistently served on the parties. On the 28th day of November 2020, I foreclosed the defendants from defending the action as they had not filed any process in the matter. It was therefore adjourned to 26 February 2021 for adoption. On that day, that is on the 26th of November, I gave the defendants a chance to respond to the claimant's final written address. The claimant filed his final written address on the 7th day of December 2020. There is an affidavit of service and a proof of service showing endorsement of one Abdullahi Mohammed, a registrar litigation in the Ministry of Justice, Mina. Up until now, none of the defendants filed a final written address. Learned Counsel B.M. Usman now seeks an adjournment on the grounds that Danlami Wushishi is now deceased. He is said to have died early 2020. Let me note that the said Wushishi of blessed memory was last appeared in this matter on the 27th of June 2019. And this matter has come up several times thereafter. The records show that at every stage, the Ministry of Justice was always served with the processes, having earlier indicated their interest in the matter. In the light of the above, I will refuse counsel's application for adjournment and grant the claimant leave to proceed to adopt his final written address. Okay, Mr. Buagu.
On behalf of the claimant, we have filed our final written address.
Yes.
Dated the 4th day of December 2020 and filed on the 7th day of December.
Yes.
My Lord, we adopt them as our final submission.
Yes.
And we urge my Lord, grant all these things, sought by you.
Thank you. The case is adjourned to 29 June 2021 for judgment. July, sorry. 29 July 2021 for judgment. Okay, call the next case.
Case number NSCN/SN/13/2020. Mr. Adeyemi Adebowale Michael and Nigerian Railway Corporation of Pakistan.
Have you entered today's cases? Have you entered today's one? Okay. That is absent. Appearances. Any appearance in the case of Adeyemi Adebowale Michael against Nigeria Railway Corporation? Appearances name. Where were you? I was shouting. I can't hear you. Who are you? Eke Jeremiah.
Yes, my Lord. My parents is for the claimant.
Eke Jeremiah.
Yes, my Lord.
For the claimant.
Yes, my Lord. Who is present in court? Is in court.
The claimant is present.
Yes, my Lord. Is present.
Yes. Has the defendant been served and proof kept in the file? Okay. Tell the claimant to sit down. It's okay. I've taken note of your presence. So, Mr. Jeremiah.
The matter is for commencement of hearing.
For
commencement of hearing. Subject to the recording. My Lord, I don't know whether I'm going to permit us to go ahead.
You are ready to proceed. We cannot take trial by virtual means, Mr. Eke Jeremiah. There is no way, even hearing you is a problem. I have to make out, I have to make out a lot before we talk about the witness. How do I see the documents you are tendering, amongst other inconveniences? So I will give you a date for definite hearing. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Subject to the government of the
29th of July. Okay. is your only witness, right?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, is the only witness.
Okay. The case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for definite hearing. Hearing notice to issue to the defendants and proof kept in the case file before the next adjourned date. Thank you.
Case number MN/2019 between Ominis John Ibrahim, Jacob Benson, Feda Abelo Jr., Ukwebi Daniel, and Ruru Geru Hydro Electric Power Project Limited.
Are the parties in court? Appearances. Any representation in this case? Odimisi, John Ibrahim, and 3 others against Sino Hydro Zungeru Hydroelectric Power Project.
Yes,
please announce appearance. Okay. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There's so much noise where you are. Yes.
Yes, Atna Kuyembo.
Spell that, please.
Atna is spelled A-T-N-A.
A-T-N-A.
Yes, Kuyembo is spelled A-U-Y.
Kuyembo. Thank you.
My appearance is for the defendant, Sino Hydro Zungeru Hydroelectric Power Project Limited.
Thank you. Any appearance for the claimant? Mr. Kuyembo, what's the state of the pleadings?
Well, my lord, we have going on the last date. Counsel, the claimant filed an additional witness statement on oath for one of his witnesses, Onimisi John Ibrahim. Yes.
Okay. And
yes,
a reply to the statement of defense.
Yes, my lord.
A reply. Yes. So the pleadings have been completed, and
yes,
we are good to go.
I also remember that my lord instructed that counsel to the claimant file an application to regularize the processes he filed on that date because it was out of time.
And he has not.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So it means invariably the matter is ripe for hearing, save for the regularization of that process, the last process.
Correct.
Okay, correct. So I'll give you a date for definite hearing and other hearing notice to issue to the claimants. I'll give you 29 July. I hope it's not going to be too. So, Mr.
My Lord,
Piembo,
it's fine.
It's fine, and I want that this will be a physical trial. We cannot do it by virtual means. So you will do well to inform the claimant for us. We will issue hearing notice to him, or let him know that it's not going to be by virtual means. All right?
Please, I will do that. I'll do that.
Thank you. The case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for hearing. Hearing notice to issue to the claimants and proof kept in the case file before the next adjourned date. Claimant's counsel is also ordered to take steps to regularize his last set of pleadings.
As the court pleases, we are most obliged.
Thank you.
My Lord, I humbly apply to take my leave.
Yes, please. Do so by all means.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Page number NSN/MN/16/2020. Mr. Absalam.
Are the parties present in court? Abdusalam Tunde Bello, Nigerian Railway Corporation. Are the parties present? Okay, claimant present. Appearances, please. I'm sorry, you have to go over that again. There is a bit of network disconnection. Yes. Let me see. Yeah, let me look at your pleadings. Well, maybe I'll find your name there.
I'm holding the brief of the 2005 pleadings.
Please, can you speak louder so that I'll hear you? Danladi Marcus. Write it on a sheet of paper and show me. In that case, I'm not going to, maybe you should take the other seat. The person that sat there I heard him clearly. Sorry. Any change? Mohammed, can you bring that close to the screen? Let me see. Daniel Omako, okay. I have seen you today now. You were more legible then. Daniel Omako, your appearance is for? Clement. Is the defendant represented? Have they been served?
Yes,
Mr. Omako, what do you want? A date for hearing? You had another matter before me. When was it adjourned to? 28. Okay, so I'll give you 28. All right. The case is adjourned to 28 July 2021 for hearing. Hearing notice to issue to the defendant and proof kept in the case file before the next adjourned date. Yes.
And one, Euro Hotel Limited, Arewa Hotel Limited, Niger State Government, Niger State Minister of Tourism, and General and Commissioner of Justice, Niger State. All parties are.
Appearances, please.
My Lord, Daniel Omako.
Daniel Omako.
Yes, my Lord, for the claimant.
Yes.
Only, my Lord.
Yeah. B.M. Usman.
Acting Director, Civil Investigation, my Lord. My Lord, I announce appearance for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th defendants.
For the 4th and 5th?
3, 4, and 5 defendants.
Okay.
That is 3, 4, and 5 defendants.
I got you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, the matter for the first time.
Yes.
We are also aware that the first and second defendants have also been served. We are informed that the first and second defendants have been served. Though the first was served yesterday, while the second was served this morning.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. We were served 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, my Lord. And we have filed our memorandum of appearance this morning. It has been served on the Elective Council.
2 days ago on Friday. Were you served on Friday?
At the close of work, my Lord, on Friday.
On Friday.
Yes, at the close of work, my Lord. But I received it yesterday.
That's okay, Mr. Usman.
My Lord, by your rules, my Lord, we are still within time to file our first month.
That's okay, Mr. Usman.
Yes, my Lord. So in the light of the circumstances, my Lord, we will be asking for a plea.
You have filed a memorandum of appearance.
Yes, my Lord, we have done so, and it has been signed for the plaintiff this morning.
So you still have time. So I'm going to give you a date for further mention.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, further mention so that we can hopefully, by the time we come back, the first and second defendants may have also reacted.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we can regularize the processes and then take a formidable date for hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in that case, since we are having that can still come by way of, I mean, since some of you are coming physically, some of you may want to, but you don't have to bring your witnesses. The COVID regulations are still on. We don't need our courts crowded. If you are coming virtually, that's okay. Even then, you don't need to crowd our court over there. At least the next adjourned date is just to establish the state of the pleadings and then determine a date for trial. So what day do you want to come back now, 28th or 29th?
28th, my Lord, because we will be before you on the 28th. What was the year 28th?
Yes, my Lord.
28th?
Yes, that's correct, ma'am.
Okay. The case is adjourned to 28 July 2021 for further mention. Okay. Now the next case.
NSN/MN/06/2018. Johnson Rokoyemi, Omar Mama, Mami Boye, Olakule, Eniola, Akitu, and one Mr. Agbolara, Area Manager, State Grant Economic Advancement Program, Niger State, Incorporated Committee of State Grant Economic Program.
Appearances, please.
My name is Siraj.
Let me see, I'll find it somewhere. AA Siraj, right?
Yes,
AA Siraj. And your appearance is?
For the claimants.
Thank you. Yes. Any representation for the defendants? Mr. Siraj?
Yes, my name is IF Yusuf.
Where were you? IF?
Yusuf.
Yes. And your appearance is for the defendants?
Yes, my lord, sir.
S. Yusuf.
F as in first.
Okay, IF Yusuf. For the defendants.
No, I appear, along with me appear,
yes.
K.A. Yusuf, Mrs. And I Ali. Ali.
A-L-I.
A-L-I. A-double-L-I. Ali.
Okay.
For the defendant, sir.
Okay.
Yes, my lord, the matter is related for defense.
Yes. Mr. Yusuf.
My lord, the matter is slated for continuation of defense, subject continuation of hearing.
It's actually for defense.
Yes, it's for defense, my lord, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. How many witnesses do you have?
There's only one witness, no document to be tendered.
Is the witness in court?
Yes, my lord, is in court with us.
But it was said that parties were absent when I called, when the matter was mentioned.
Oh, my lord, network was fluctuating. We didn't hear.
Okay. Mr. Siraj, do you think that we can do this by virtual means?
Well, my lord, on my part, would prefer physical appearance.
I think physical appearance will augur well for this trial. Even though you don't have, I was tempted when you said you don't have any documents to tender. Yes, but then a cross-examination will have to go on, and you will agree with me that it's going to be clumsy for us, you know. So I need you to come physically.
Okay, my lord, subject to your convenience, my lord. But I think even with that, the cross-examination, whatever cross-examination you want to do, it can still be conducted.
You're talking to me from a courtroom or from your chambers?
From my chambers, my lord, sir.
And then how will the claimant, the counsel cross-examine the witness when the witness, where are you? Are you in Abuja or Mina?
I am in Kwara State.
Okay, you're in Kwara State.
Yes, my lord, sir.
Can I see the witness?
Yes. Mr. Brashid?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Where are you?
I'm Abdulaziz.
Where are you, Mr. Abdulaziz?
Agbola Brashid.
Yes, I'm in Anambra State.
I think I'll call for a your physical presence for this trial.
As complices. But my lords are just putting into consideration all these security threats everywhere. That's why we are trying to. Mr. Brashid is in Anambra State as we are talking. We are from Kwara State, and we are threatened with what is happening from Kwara State to Niger.
The truth is that it would, I'm sure that Mr. Siraj wants a speedy trial, but Mr. Siraj.
Yes, my lord.
What do you say to what counsel is saying?
Well, my lord, it is true that we have a security challenge, but that has been there even before the last time we sat to appear. And I think Mr. Yusuf sent a counsel who held his brief when we called our last two witnesses.
Except my lord, if my lord can accommodate us in Abuja.
Yes, you will come to Abuja. Where I'm in Abuja right now.
Yes,
I'm not in Mina.
Was in Abuja. The last two witnesses we called testified before my Lord in Abuja.
In Abuja, yes.
Yes.
So I'll give you 29 July for defense.
It's all right. Thank you, Madam Sir.
Thank you. But Mr. Yusuf, never mind. I'm going to record it that you indicated your readiness to proceed. All right.
Thank you, my Lord, sir. We are so much grateful for that. My Lord, sir.
Yes.
I just want to invite the attention of my Lord to the fact that the second defendant is here present.
Okay.
Okay, my Lord, I can even say that the defendant, or the defendant, because it's the one that is representing the first defendant too.
That's okay. So by under as regards attendance, I have said claimants absent, defendants present.
Thank you, my Lord.
And you have also said that you are ready to proceed to defense.
Thank you, my Lord.
Sorry, my Lord.
So I have said I will take this trial by physical attendance. So the case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for defense.
Yes,
it will hold in Abuja Court 4.
My Lord, if I may ask, my Lord,
yes.
Is it possible that the trial is held physical cum virtual, so that even if we have a counsel that will come from Abuja, we too will be able to join from Ilorin here, and the witness will be there physically?
No problem. We will also make the facility available.
Thank you, sir.
But it will be difficult for you to, okay, it's your witness, so you are not cross-examining.
Yes, madam, sir.
And perhaps you get somebody from the within the jurisdiction to appear on your behalf. That's okay.
Thank you.
Take note, Abuja Court 4.
Yes, madam, sir. Court 4.
Siraj, that's good for you?
Yes, madam. That's good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Good day, my lord.
Yes, I'm listening. Good day.
Please, my lord, my name is Moses Ogbonnawanya. I had written a letter relating to Opalowa's case because I was in the Court of Appeal. But I'm back. I don't know whether the case has been mentioned. I'm in Kaduna.
Which case is that?
That is Anthony Opalowa, number 11.
Has it been adjourned? It has not been called.
It's adjourned.
So we'll call now. How many more matters do we have? Come and take this file, please. So the other once you are adopted, Is it your followers case? Okay. It has not been mentioned, Mr.
Oh, my Lord, I'm happy. I'm able to join.
Okay, that's good. That's okay.
I'm very happy. I have written a letter before asking for an adjournment, but I finished early.
Okay, you finished early. That's okay.
Yes.
How do you next this?
Let's combine MN/1/2020. Appropriate. That's okay. And Dr. Appropriate.
Why is this? Why are you giving me a new file for this matter? I delivered it's a consolidated matter.
Yes.
The consolidated. But the file should go hand in hand. This is looking like it's coming up for the first time. Have they joined the president? Are the parties present?
No.
Because this is misleading. It makes it look like the other file does not exist. That's wrong. Appearances, please. The case that has just been mentioned is the case of Abubakar Ndasabe against Dr. Abdul Zukogi and Governing Council of the Federal Polytechnic, Bida.
Yes, madam.
Okay.
O.E. Ayola.
O.E. Ayola. Yes.
My parents for the claimants.
Thank you. Yes. Any appearance for the defendants?
No, that I know of, madam.
Mrs. Ayola?
Yes, my lord.
So where are we?
Motion to my lord's order made on the 18th of March,
yes,
2021, we have filed our amended originating summons.
Okay.
I
have joined the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes, my lord.
Have you served them?
Well, from the information I received, they were served on the 31st of March, 2021.
Okay. Actually, the proof of service shows that they were served on the 1st of April, 2021.
We're writing that in.
And they have not filed any reaction.
We have not received any response from any of the defendants.
What about the first and second defendants? Did you serve them?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. So what do you want?
I'm asking for a date for definite hearing.
Thank you.
Considering the fact that all the defendants have been served.
Thank you. Okay, Mrs. Ayola, even though it is it's an originating summons, I will still prefer a physical attendance on this one. Thank you. I'll give you 29th of July.
I don't know if my Lord can accommodate us on the 28th because we already have a case fixed for the same date, 28th of July.
28th is getting loaded, but I'll see if I can squeeze you in there.
Thank you, my Lord. I'm very grateful.
It's going to be a very long day. The case is adjourned to 28th July 2021 for definite hearing. These two facts must always go hand in hand. And a matter of fact, you join the proceedings file, you tag it along. Many more. I thought I've finished. Yes.
Case number NSS like MN/09/2019. Dr. John Zira Cooper and National Examination Council NECO. Not practice of
appearances.
With humility to my Lord.
Yes.
My name is J.S. Ilya.
Yes.
I announce appearance for the claimant.
Yes.
Humbly, my Lord.
Yes.
O.J. Efekoda.
I'm looking at your name. It's giving me DHA, right?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
My appearance is for the defendant.
Yes.
Well,
my Lord, the matter is fixed.
Yes, Mr. Ilya.
Yes, my Lord, we have served the defendant with the originating processes.
Yes.
And my Lord, we have not received any process from the defendant.
Mrs. Efekoda or Miss?
Miss, my Lord.
Yes.
I received of the originating process. We were just last week, Thursday, Friday last week. We are in the process of preparing our defense, and we will most humbly be praying for a date to enable us to conclude and file. We are so sorry for the inconvenience to the counsel on the other side and the court. It was not intentional.
What do we do in this case?
My Lord, we will apply for a date for hearing.
A date after the vacation or before? Is there a sister case in this matter?
None, my Lord. And my Lord, if we can be accommodated before the vacation, we'll be very grateful. We have only a single witness, my lord.
29th July.
29th July is convenient, my lord.
Sorry, my lord, it's not convenient to us.
Not convenient for you. We have limited days.
Okay, sorry, it is. It's convenient to us. 29 July is fine. Sorry.
The case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for hearing.
As a court pleases. My lord, we are most grateful.
Thank you.
And may I humbly apply to take my leave, my lord?
Yes, please, you may.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. Yes.
NSN/MN/13/2019.
Where's the file? Why did they send it? Is Mohammed there? Mohammed in Mina. Let me see the. Give me the first list.
Yes, my lord. I'm here, my lord.
Why didn't you send MN13 2019? You didn't send us the file. Why? What about the other one? Is it an oversight?
I said the file is there, my lord.
Is where?
In Abuja, my lord. No file in Mina division yet. All the files are there.
Better check again. Maybe it's inside another. Did you call him before now? Have you called him before? Check other files and see. So why you are calling a case when the file and you can't find the file? How can the file get missing? It's not possible. Are you in the matter? What's the matter for? Okay. But you have filed the terms of settlement. Okay. Okay, I'll just give you off record. I'll give you 29th of July. Is that okay for you? 28th? You want after vacation? Everything after vacation. Did I give them a date before? September 21. If there's going to be any change, you will be notified. '21st, yes. Report of settlement. Okay. Between both of you, you need to find that file because they say they are settling out of court. I don't know where the file could be. You need to find it. Otherwise, somebody gets into trouble.
Yes, my lord.
All right?
Yes, my lord.
Thank you. September 2021.
Nehemiah M. and Umar Ali. And 1. Governor Board Echo, Registrar Echo, and National Examination Council Echo.
I need my charger. It's on my table. Appearances, please.
With all respect to my Lord, O.E. Ayola, I humbly announce my appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
The matter is fixed for hearing today, my Lord.
No appearance for the claimant.
None, my Lord.
Yes, Ayola.
In the circumstance, we'll be asking for an adjournment at their instance for hearing. They will be guided by the court diary on the convenient date.
I'm taking you to the new legal year
As the court is
of this one. I'll give you 21st September.
It's convenient, my Lord.
It's not this thing, it's my iPhone charger. I'm using it, it's on my table. It's white. The case is adjourned to 21st September 2021 for hearing.
This number IRCS MN/11/2019. Mr. Anthony Yaya
Opaluwa.
Arewa Hotel Development Development Company Limited.
Appearances, please. Appearances. One. Mr. Wanya.
My Lord, I was waiting for my learned friend.
You cannot wait forever. If he doesn't announce that perhaps he's not here.
I'm sorry, my lord. May I humbly appear for the defendant? My name is M.O. Nwanya, Moses Ogbonna Nwanya. Nwanya is spelled N-W-A-N.
I can see it on your screen.
Thank you, my lord.
I can see it on your screen.
I'm very grateful, my lord. I appear for the defendant.
Yes.
My lord, the last time an application was moved and we entered appearance on protest. There's a motion on notice dated 11th December 2019. We are challenging the geographical decision, jurisdiction of the court. But with what is happening today, if my lord may accommodate us in Abuja, I will withdraw the application. Our protest is that we don't want to go to Minna because we don't have any presence in Minna. We don't have any presence in Abuja, but we prefer to come to Abuja. I don't know whether my lord's network is in trouble. Mine is not. I don't know whether my lord is hearing me. My lord's network appears to have disappeared. Is our own network? Is our own network? Listen, you can come and join me here. Get yourself. Come. Esther, you want to watch proceeding? Come now. Bring your chair. Bring smaller chair. That's it behind me. Why not shift that chair? Carry on, shift it.
Sorry, we had a break in transmission. We are going to have to move very fast now because our battery is running very low.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord was saying that we filed an application.
Yes.
Yes, we asked for another striking out the suit for want of geographical decision.
Okay, so there's a on to that effect.
But by what is happening today, my lord, if my lord will accommodate us in Abuja, even for physical hearing.
Yes.
Instead of Minna. Minna.
I will accommodate you on the 29th of July for physical hearing of your motion.
Of our applications, my lord. Yes. As the court pleases. 29th of July. It's a Tuesday, my lord. It's a Thursday.
Okay, Thursday.
We are grateful, my lord. 29th of July for physical hearing. It's all right. In Abuja, my lord, court 4.
Abuja, court 4.
Thank you, my lord. Have a good day.
Let me read my ruling. The case is adjourned to 29 July 2021 for hearing of outstanding application in Abuja.
As a copy. Thank you, my lord. Thank you very much.
Which remaining? Have other people.
Well, may I be able to leave?
Oh, yes, you can.
I'm grateful.
Are they there? See them again.
Okay. This number NS/MS/07/2019. Jeremiah. And one, Pasila for legal and administrative studies. Provost. Deputy Provost, academic.
Appearances, please. OE FE
Yes.
I cannot see you. I'm only seeing the young men that are having their own chats. Can we have the courtroom presence, please?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. I didn't get the name of the council that was announcing appearance just now. Well, I'm having an issue. I cannot see the courtroom. The courtroom is missing. I'm seeing other people who are perhaps in their chambers. There's a problem. Okay, yeah, I can see you now. I can see, let me see the lady's face. AVC. AV Obadua. Opalua.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. AV Opalua. Yes. And your appearances?
For the claimants, my lord.
Thank you. Yes.
Please,
you can now speak. Jury's consult. Yes.
No. Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
I am Sadiq Ma'aji.
Sadiq
Maachi.
Maachi.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
I announce my appearance for the defendants.
Thank you. Yes.
And subject to the covenant of the court, we are ready to proceed.
Okay. But you cannot proceed because I cannot take trial by virtual means. You can see the problems we are encountering already.
Yes, my lord.
How many more witnesses? How many witnesses have you taken already? And is yet to be cross-examined.
Yes, it's for cross-examination.
Okay. I will give you. I'm getting total. Can you come on the 27th of July?
It's very convenient for me.
27th of July. July 27th. You want to come after the vacation, right?
On 29th of July.
29th of July is already loaded. You might end up spending the whole day here. All the same, I'll give it to you.
Sorry, madam. I have another matter fixed for hearing on that
29th July. So can we go to the after the vacation, 21st of September?
21st September is okay for me.
The cases are done to 21st September 2021 for continuation of hearing. Thank you. How many more? One. Call the last one before the
Case number
appearances.
Well, please, my lord.
Yes.
I'm Dr. Zakaria A. Bello.
Dr. Zakaria A. Bello,
Yes.
I've been seeing your face on my screen.
That's
You took over the court screen.
My lord, I first logged in since 8:30 to avoid network problem.
Thank you. Your appearance is for?
I'm appearing for the first time with my lord.
Okay.
Happy with my. I'm appearing with Ibrahim Isa Alhaji.
With Rahim Isa Alhaji.
Yes, for the claimant applicant. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. Any appearance for the defense?
My lord.
Yes.
My name is Lawrence.
Lawrence?
My lord is spelled as LKW.
Yes.
LKU.
Yes. Nkwaku.
Not you. NKWAKU.
I have it already.
Okay, my parents is for the defendants.
Thank you.
My equity and the defendants are presented in court by MB Benin Esquire.
Represented
by
in court.
Yes, by MB Benin. The name is KDEMI Esquire. He's a chief legal officer with the defendants.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam, we have an application we have earlier filed.
Okay.
One is dated 12 March 2020.
Okay.
And the other is dated 4th February 2021. We seek to abandon the earlier one, 12 March 2020.
Yeah.
It's just to replace our processes by just amending the name of the parties.
To amend the names of the first defendant.
Yes,
and...
yes,
okay.
Yeah, just the spelling mistake that was.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Nkwaku, do you have any objection to that application?
Yes, my lord. I had earlier on filed a GO. The claimant in response, not directly to the GO, filed application to regularize. I'm minded to allow that application, but my lord, there's no annex of the application showing the amended processes as it should be in the court records. It is not for the court to begin to add and delete on the documents already. I had expected clean copies, now annexing a clean copy to show that this is what we are bringing to substitute what we had already filed. We don't have that. There's something the court has a copy that I'll be acting to be starting.
Yes. Okay, I see what you mean. Dr. Zakaria.
Yes, my lord. I think it's missing the point.
The first application you filed seemed to have the correct. You filed a schedule of amendment.
Yes, ma'am.
But in this one, you want to withdraw that one and then.
Yes, we tend to abandon that, withdraw it, and then move this because it's just there was appointment of the when we filed it was active, and then we intend to just amend the name. We don't need to file a clean copy because now just the names and nothing more, just the name. Assume the president has been sued, and then obviously you don't change the name, just to amend the names, and that's this. That suffices. We are not amending the contents.
Yeah, that's so. Annex a clean copy of what you are bringing.
We are not amending the subject matter.
You don't bring on your statement of facts.
Yeah, because when you are amending,
go through that.
When you are amending a process.
Yes.
When you are amending a process, you need to show me
the annexure.
The annexure. You did not attend. So what are we amending? Are you asking me to go back to my process and do No. I can grant you if there is no objection, I will grant you leave, and then you file the clean copy after.
If the court directs, we'll do it.
Yes.
If the court, they will do it. But my concern is we are not amending the subject. We are not the subject matter. We are not amending the pleadings. Names can be.
It's still an amendment. It's still an amendment because it should have the right nomenclature. Because like your schedule of amendment says you are substituting the first defendant's name, acting registrar, with registrar, chief executive, and then you are deleting the O between Onikoko
and Ahmed. Yes, the state of fact, yes, my lord.
In the claimant's name on the statement of material facts. What's that one? That one is minor. Where is the statement of facts? Well, after now, we are going into trials. So whatever it is, you must do it before
Please.
Okay, that's all then.
Yeah, just the O. These are minor illusions. They're not substantial.
Mr. Nkwaku.
Yes, my lord. I'm only asking for a clean copy, even on the material facts. From number 2, we jump to number 5. We needed to be responding sequentially to be properly guided in our response. I'm only trying to urge the council to do the right thing, because if you go to, you see that even references to certain paragraphs were jumbled. Council, I'm telling you, take a look at that, bring a clean copy, we'll respond to that clean copy. That's what we are asking.
Okay, so you are not opposing the application.
Substantially, we are not opposing the application.
The only thing is that they need to file a clean copy.
As copies.
Okay. Mr. Zakaria, do you want to what do you call it? Take move in terms of your application.
So please, once the court that we should file a clean copy, but let the court grant us leave. And the court order we can't. Yes.
You move in terms?
Yeah, I move in terms of the motion paper filed on the 24th February 2021.
Is it 4th February?
Yes, 4th February.
Okay, it's dated 4th February.
Yes,
filed on 18th February.
Yes, my lord.
Leave is granted the claimant to amend his statement of facts in line with the schedule of amendments on the face of the motion. The claimant is ordered to file a clean copy of the amended process within 7 days from today. So we take a date for hearing.
Yes, my lord.
Of course, you want to file consequential amendments. Have you filed a statement of defense before now?
No, my lord.
Okay. So we'll go to a date after vacation. 21st September.
Sorry, my lord, October 4th. My lord, may I withdraw my plea so that we can proceed? I have a pending application, so let me formally withdraw it.
Okay.
Yes, I have a plenary objection dated 13th March 2020 and filed the same day. May I humbly withdraw the application, my lord?
March.
Yes, my lord. 2020.
2020. No objection, right?
No, my lord.
In notice of preliminary objection of the defendant having been withdrawn is hereby struck out.
May we be accommodated on the 4th of October? Sorry, between July and September, the federal government has scheduled examinations for the defendants. All the examinations will run from July 5th to the end of September. May we be accommodated on the 4th of October, my lord.
4th?
Yes, my lord.
October 4th, Dr. Zakaria. Okay.
Yes.
The case is adjourned to 4th October 2021 for hearing. Thank you. So you are permitted to leave the meeting room. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
my lord.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Good day, my lord.